Service to Leighton City. Calling at Stepford Central, Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton,
This is
Benton
City
Bridge,
Hospital.
Hampton
This
Hargate,
train is for
Upper
Leighton
Steplow,
City.
Water
The
Newton,
next station
Rocket
is
Parade,
Stepford
Leighton,
Central.
Stepford Road, and Leighton City. This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Leighton City. We will be calling at Stepford Central, Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Water Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road,
44,
and Leighton City.
Service to
The next
Leighton
station
City.
is Stepford Central.
Stepford East,
We will shortly be
St
arriving
Helens
at
Bridge,
Stepford
Angel
Central.
Pass, Bowden,
Change here for
Coxley,
services to
Benton,
Stepford Airport
Benton
Central,
Bridge, Hampton
Heatley,
Hargate,
Morganstown,
Upper Staplow,
Stepford
Water
UFC,
Newton, Rocket
Whitefield,
Parade,
and
Leighton,
Willowfield.
Stepford Road, and
Please mind the
Leighton
gap
City.
between the train and the
This
platform.
train is formed of 4 coaches.
Stepford Central. This train's for Leighton City. The next station is Stepford East. Welcome on board the Stepford Connect service to Leighton City. We'll be calling at Stepford East, St Helens Bridge, Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Water Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton Stepford Road, and Leighton City. The next station is Stepford East. You will shortly be arriving at Stepford East. Change here for services to Beryley. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Water Newton, Rocket Parade,
This is
Leighton, Stepford Road,
East.
and Leighton
This
City.
train is for Leighton
This
City.
train is formed of 4
the next
coaches.
station is St Helens Bridge. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect to Leighton City. The next station is St Helens Bridge. We will shortly be arriving at St Helens Bridge. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
Calling at Angel Pass, Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Water Newton, Rocket
This
Parade,
is St Helens
Leighton,
Bridge.
Stepford Road,
This
and
train is for
Leighton City.
City.
This train
The
is
next
formed of
station
4
is
coaches.
Angel Pass.
Your attention, please. The 11:50 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to a member of the train crew being unavailable. Your 10 please. The 11:54 Stepford Connect service to Stepford Victoria has been cancelled. This is due to a member of train crew being unavailable.
Welcome on board the Stepford Connect service to Leighton City. The next station is Angel Pass. We will shortly arriving at Angel Pass. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
For the 11:49 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City. Calling at Bowden, Coxley, Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper
This is
Staplow,
Angel
Wharton
Pass.
Newton, Rocket
This train
Parade,
is for Leighton
Leighton,
City.
Stepford Road,
The next
and
station
Leighton
is
City.
Bowden.
This train is formed of 4 coaches.
Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Leighton City. The next station is Bowden. Will shortly be arrived at Bowden. Please mind the gap between train and platform.
Leighton City. Calling at Coxley, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Wharton Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton, Stepford Road, and Leighton City. This train is formed of 4
This
coaches.
is Bowden. This train is for Leighton City. The next station is Coxley. Welcome on board this Stepford Connect service to Leighton City. The next station is Coxley. We will shortly arriving at Coxley. Please mind the gap between the train and the platform.
52 Stepford Connect service to Leighton City. Calling at Benton, Benton Bridge, Hampton Hargate, Upper Staplow, Wharton Newton, Rocket Parade, Leighton, Stepford Road,
This is
and
Coxley.
Leighton City.
This train is
This
for
train
Leighton
formed of
City.
4 coaches.
Next station is Benton. Welcome on this Stepford Connect service. Next station is Benton. We will shortly be arriving at Benton. Change here for services to Connolly, Etterfield, Greenslade, Newry, Port Benton, and Airport Terminal 2. Please mind the gap between train and platform.